That's it to go for. Just gone past checkpoint 1. We are just over 2.5 hours in. Slightly ahead of schedule, it's not bad. Weather's lovely. Feel a little banana. Just saw Dom, got me some tiger balm. Sore shoulder from I slept funny, so it's hard to like move my neck to the left, but as long as my legs keep moving forward, that's all that matters. Right, on to checkpoint 2. Keep moving forward. So, checkpoint 2, in and out, sort my feet out, put a bit of cream on, got a Coke for the road, black Coke, and yeah, so in my plan, just under an hour ahead of what I thought I'd be there, so making good time, but I know that's going to come, I'll need that in a bit. So yeah, nice sunny day, so that's why the hat's on, keep moving forward. Hello, just been in checkpoint 3, got myself some hot food which was desperately needed. Beans on toast and pasta and cheese, lovely. And then got to meet Dom, crewing me. Took out my feet, put lots of trench foot cream on. Grabbed my poles, changed the trainers, socks. Feeling a bit fresher, feeling a bit better. Got a full stomach. Let's keep moving forward. Oh, morning. It's 6 o'clock Sunday morning. Leaving checkpoint 4. Well, slept in the van outside checkpoint 4. New day. Managed to get over 3 hours sleep, which is more than I did last year. Well, that's a positive to start the day on. Now, toughest day. Lots of elevation. So, just keep moving forward. Sight for sore legs. Mr. O'Sullivan and Marjorie. That's the name of this camper van. Just come from up there. I had to come from down there. Killer. Right, come out checkpoint 5. Met Dom, crew me. Dry trainers, dry socks, the big advantage compared to last time. Cream my feet again. Then went in the checkpoint, got some lovely Irish stew. And now we're in attack mode for another big hill. Okay. Keep moving forward. This leg up that hill, get to the next checkpoint, then in the very distance, one that looks like it's got a golf ball on top, that's the next leg. Get them done, be a happy man. Right, came out of checkpoint 6. This is the demon. These hills are the one that did my ankle last year. Objective number 1 was to make it in the light. tick. Right, up this hill, past the golf ball, and then the treacherous up and downs. Keep moving forward. Just come out of checkpoint 7. Some tough night last night. Got to Lava Hill in daylight. So happy to do that. But then the rain. It was horizontal. So, but slugged through that. Got to Dom and Marjorie. Made a decision to actually get some sleep rather than carry on, which was a really good decision because set my alarm for 2 and the rain had stopped, so I was able to power through. But then going across the moors, god, it was boggy, uphill, tough, but made it. Going checkpoint, hot food always helps. Treat myself to a new pair of fresh pair of socks. So now we attack the next leg, keep moving forward. This time last year, this was where my race ended. Not today. So officially, better than last year. Stepping out of the checkpoint, going to checkpoint 9, over the big hill. Dom's going to meet me at the pub, and then onto checkpoint 9 from there. Keep moving forward. So just come out of checkpoint 9 a couple of hours ago. Not the plan I wanted, overslept by a couple of hours, but hopefully turn that to an advantage and be more rested for the day. And the day just becoming bright, already 2 hours in. We had 72 hours, so 28 to go, and it's going to be close. It's going to be close. So we'll keep moving forward.
Go on, Wayne! Here we go. Get in there. How was that?
Bit warm.
Bit warm. You're doing well. Warm. Doing very well.
Right, just come out of checkpoint 11. Slug. Got my ice hat on. Stuck some ice down the back of it because it is really hot. You can tell by the redness of my face. I think this is 13 miles, 15 miles. Need to get there by 9 o'clock. Spend an hour and then leave at 10, and that gives me 12 hours to do 22 miles during the night to complete it in time. Keep moving forward.
Woohoo! Last leg!
Come on.
Last leg.
Very fetching, muzzy net. Right, just come out of the final checkpoint. I have my rather fetching mozzie headgear on because it was horrendous going to that last checkpoint. So I'm going to start off with it. Fingers crossed I won't need it. And one final push. Keep moving forward. And there we have it, coast to coast across Scotland, 97 hours. The East Coast, however, not finished yet. 2 miles to the finish line. Keep moving forward.